Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge. The woman body consists of various parts. You should know all the basic organs of our body and its functions. Some of them, especially internal organs, play a significant role in living your life. Now in this video, I am going to discuss all internal external parts of our body with its function. So don't skip any seconds of the video. Watch the video till the end. Without further delay, let's get started. First, we will discuss external body organs. Let's talk about all parts of the head and face. Head, hair, forehead, cheek, chin, eyes, nose, ears, mouth and neck. Eyes. In a woman's eyes, eyebrow, eyelid, eyelashes and eyeballs, these are the parts of eye. Eyes help us to see the world around us and also read anything. When you see anything, your eyes capture the image and store it in the memories. Next organ, nose. Nose bridge and nostrils. These are the parts of nose. The nose helps us to inhale and exhale the breath and help us experience all kinds of smells. Now next one, ears. The ears are a sensory organs that help you listen to all kinds of sounds. Mouth, tongue, gum and teeth. These are included a parts of mouth. Mouth helps us eat, drink and breathe. It also helps us communicate with other people and express our thoughts. Teeth help us to chew the food when we eat it. Neck. Thyroid and collarbones, these two are parts of neck. The neck is the part that connects the head to the rest of the body. We use our necks to move our heads. It allows the head to move from side to side so we can turn our face to look at something. Next, external organ, arms or hands. Hands help us to do lots of activities during the whole day like lifting, pushing, holding, eating, writing and clapping. Now next one, fingers. Let's know the each finger is called by what name? Thumb, index, middle, ring and little or a pinky finger. Top of all the fingers is known as a finger. Now next one, chest. The chest is the upper front of the body between the neck and the waist. It holds and protects vital organs like the heart and lungs. Stomach. It is also known as the belly and abdomen part. The stomach is the part where the food goes and gets digested. It stores the food chewed by us and then mix and chews it so our body can absorb it. Now next, butts or hips. It helps us sit down anywhere. Last external organ, legs. It helps us to walk and run. The different parts legs are thigh, knee, ankle, foot, calves, shins and toes. Now let's discuss internal body organs. First, brain. The brain controls our thoughts, memory and speech, the movement of the arms and legs and the function of the many organs within our body. Next part, thyroid. It is a vital androgen gland. It constantly releases a steady amount of thyroid hormones into the bloodstream. It plays a major role in the metabolism, growth and development of the woman body. Lungs. Your lungs are an essential part of the respiratory system that takes oxygen gas into the bloodstream from the air and removes the extra carbon dioxide. Next one, heart. It is the main organ of the circulatory system. Your heart keeps you alive, pumps blood and oxygen throughout your body and delivers the waste products back to the lungs to be removed. Next internal organ, liver. It purifies the blood in the woman body and removes toxins from the body's blood supply. Pancreas. It is the organ of the digestive system. It has two main functions. The exocrine pancreas helps to digest food, particularly protein, and the endocrine pancreas helps to control blood sugar levels. Stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ with strong muscular walls. The stomach holds the food and mixes it with acid and enzymes that continue to break the food down into a liquid or a paste. Small intestine and a large intestine. The small intestine breaks down food, absorbs nutrition the body needs, and removes unnecessary components. The large intestine is the final part of the woman's digestion system. It absorbs water, electrolytes, and vitamins from waste substances. Now next one, kidneys. Kidneys are a filter system. It filters your blood to keep it clean and removes waste and extra water to make urine. Urethra. It helps the passage of urine from the bladder out of the body. The male urethra allows passage of urine and semen out of his body. Next, reproduction organs. The female reproductive system is made up of many parts, including the vaginal, uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes. These parts function together to do many things, such as producing eggs and hormones, and maintaining the menstruation cycle and sexual activity. The male reproductive system consists of external and internal organs such as the penis, prostate, urethra, and testicles. All these organs work together to produce, maintain, and transport sperm and some reproductive hormones. Last internal organ, veins. Veins have thin walls and are generally located just beneath the skin. It collects the oxygen-poor blood throughout your body and carries it back to your heart and carries oxygen-rich blood from your lungs to your heart. After knowing all body parts and their functionality, you understand your own body by yourself. This video boosts your biological knowledge and also enhances your vocabulary. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care. We will meet soon with another interesting topic. Till then, keep watching Knowledge. Like the video, share this video, and don't forget subscribe this channel. You can also visit the Knowledge by following the other platforms.